Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a one client nail day, so it's gonna be a chill day. So put your apron on and your mask because it's time to clock in. I think she wants a soak off and a structured manicure. And if you're a nail tech that's only offering like XL set, you need to lock in and learn how to work on natural nails as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today, and let me show you the setup that I have. So this is my setup. She loves watching Love Island, and then I got her implements right there, my glove, whatever this is called, and we are ready. If you've never done a structure manicure before, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to get about 5 to 8 weeks of retention. My client here has an old acrylic set that's about 4 weeks old, so we're just going to soak that off. For the soak off, I'm using a 3 extra coarse bit, and I'm using it at a 26 RPM. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with an extra coarse bit and then moving up to a 3XC bit. And for soak offs, I see a lot of people using the soak off bowls. Personally, I don't like using those. I use the soak off foils instead. I feel like they're cleaner, they're easier to dispose, and I end up using less acetone. So for my soak off process, I file down the nail, wrap it in acetone, move on to the next nail. So by the time I'm done filing down the other hand, this hand will be fully soaked off. Now that I'm completely done with the soak off, I'm going in with my flame cuticle bit, and I'm using this bit in reverse at a 10 RPM, and I'm carefully lifting the eponychium from the nail plate. Make sure if you're using this bit to be extra careful just because it's sharp. I did forget to mention that my prep routine for structure gel is the same exact prep routine I use for acrylic application. So now that I'm done with the cuticle prep, I'm going in with my nail primers. I like to use any dehydrator. Then I go in with the Young Nails Protein Bond and the No Lift Primer. After I'm done applying my primer on one hand and it has fully dried, I go in with my structure gel. This one is from A Galore and it's in the color Buff. And I start with the slip layer, which is a thin layer covering the entire nail plate. This will help guide the structure gel to where it needs to go. You want to make sure that this layer doesn't touch the skin, or else your whole application will overflow. I do not cure the slip layer, and I grab one bead of gel and guide it from left to right. I like to use a very light hand when I'm doing this. Then I grab a liner brush and get it close to the sidewalls and cuticle area. After I have the gel when I want it, I cure. And when I flash cure, I like to move the flashlight around to avoid heat spikes. And once I'm done with my application on all 5 fingers, I have my client put her hand in the big lamp. After my client has cured both hands for 60 seconds in the lamp, I start with my design. For my design, I'm going in with a white airbrush. The airbrush that I'm using here is linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check it out. Some people like to file the sidewalls and free edge before they start on their design, and that's completely up to you. But if you decide to file, I recommend using a 180 or 240 grit file just to avoid removing too much gel. For the remaining nails, I'm going in with the chrome isolation design, and when I'm doing chrome isolation, I like to use this matte top coat that I got from Shein. And this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions in regards to structure gel, let me know down in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!